Next up, sorry, I got a lot of expensive stuff today, folks. Just it's the way it shook out this week. The Custom Knife Factory GTK Elementak. Oh no, it's a front flipper. What am I going to do?
Front flipper.
More M398 steel. Interesting. It used to be like we would only really see that mostly from Spyderco, and now 4 knives in a row here. I didn't even do that on purpose. I didn't even look up what steel this was when I was putting them out in order on the table. $615 for this knife. The handle is black DLC titanium. The blade is black DLC as well, with a bit of reflectivity to it, especially on the harpoon swedge here at the top. Is that really a harpoon? Not really.
It's harpish.
Harpish. It is a drop point shape overall, of course. But yeah, the swedge has a really nice high polish. This is one where if hands were standard issue size, it would make things easier, because for my slightly larger than average hands, tally one more up onto the scoreboard, the way this is gripped, where this is essentially a 2-finger section right here, it's a little tight for me, and I'm getting a little uncomfortably close to the sharp heel of the blade right there. So I'm not crazy about that. I would probably use it most often kind of choking back and hooking my index finger right here. If you have smaller hands, however, it's not going to be quite the same issue as it will be with mine. Yeah, for me at least, that's kind of a shame, because I love the blade shape. I mean, I love a drop point. Drop point is super useful, super versatile, and it's not too thick, and we've got a really high flat grind. It's going to be very slicey for everyday use. And it's built exceptionally well also. Milled pocket clip here at the back, frag pattern, back spacer, opening. You do have a front flipper. Let me try it. Front flippers and I don't get along great, so don't take that as an indictment upon the knife. You do, however, have a fuller, so I would probably do that. Or slow roll with the thumb. And then, yes, I will clean the fingerprints off of it, so Thomas won't have as hard a time on the B-roll.
Good boy.
Really fine things this week in terms of that stuff.